6:43, forced to sweat it out. Families across the valley contacting the Let Joe Know team, saying their home warranty companies that they bought to protect themselves right in this deadly heat, it's not coming in handy and they're not doing what they're supposed to. So what can you do about this? Here's ABC 15's Joe Ducey.
May 13th, my air conditioner went down.
For more than a month in triple-digit heat, Alan says he's been trying to get his unit fixed through Amazon Home Warranty.
I called every day for the next 4 days, talking to them about it.
He says one day a new unit was denied, the next approved, only to be denied once again when he called to schedule the install.
My thinking is that they sent it back to the approval department and said, go over this with a fine-tooth comb.
He says they claimed his unit hadn't been maintained regularly, but that was nowhere on the work order sent by the contractor.
I paid them $900 for this warranty, and I want them to honor the warranty.
It was days after submitting his claim that Alan learned Amazon Home Warranty had been sued by the Arizona Attorney General. The lawsuit claims the company deceived customers into thinking they were part of Amazon.com and posted bogus 5-star reviews to promote their business. To Alan, it seems
the contract with Amazon Home Warranty is no better than the paper it's printed on.
We reached out to Amazon Home Warranty Services and haven't heard back. We are working to get Alan resources so he can get that air back on. If you do decide on a home warranty, compare different policies. Read reviews that are verified. Double check the fine print for exclusions. Think about putting the money you would spend on a policy in savings to pay out of pocket when things happen. And remember, in Arizona, you can cancel your home warranty at any time and get a prorated refund. Go to abc15.com/letjoeknow for more ways to stay cool and community resources for getting repairs done on your air conditioning. I'm investigator Joe Ducey. If you got a problem, let me know.